many times, right, especially this year, we're going to be taking our major exams. Many times we possess the knowledge, but we don't possess the trait of an H2 math student. What is the trait of an H2 math student? Remember, this is H2 math. This is not trying to teach someone, right, who is going to be specializing in math. Because H2 math, I mean, some of us who are taking H2 math are not even trying to think of doing math in your university at all. But you know that some of the courses that you're going to be applying for in the university, right, still require H2 math. Although they are like far from math, but they will still require H2 math. Why is this so? Because H2 math students is supposed to possess another trait. Something that if you don't do H2 math, right, it is less likely that you possess that trait. What is that trait? The trait of flexibility. I mean, it may sound very weird, right? But really, H2 math student, if you are performing as a good level H2 math student, you cannot just possess the knowledge, you must possess the flexibility. Math is very different from all the other subjects that you're learning because math you started learning since when? Since your nursery. So you have a lot of experience in math. By the time when you come to H2 math, usually when you look at a problem, you are supposed to have more options as compared to all the other problems you are trying to solve in other subjects. And because you have more options, you are supposed to be able to decide that if I try one and it fails, I'm going to think about what other options I have. I'm going to U-turn and try something else. That is flexibility of an H2 math student. And many times I think some of us, we don't utilize this kind of flexibility or we don't attempt to develop this kind of flexibility. So for a question that is like this, let's think about this flexibility thing.